Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how create a button graphical user interface using Tkinter library file in Python programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing my videos, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Tkinter or Tkinter is a library file that is a part of Python programming language. It is primarily used in creating graphical user interface in Python. So here from Tkinter import asterisk, we are importing this library file in our program root equals tk. We are creating an object called root geometry 300 by 20, the size of our window, and then the title is button. So dev callback label config text, you click me. When I click this button, it will replace a foreground color red. Button root text click me command callback. Button pack, and then the label button text buttons in Tkinter Python. Label pack root main loop, it will continue repeat. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Let us run our program. Basically I'm using PyCharm as my integrated development environment in writing this program. Okay, so we have here the button. When I click this button, click me, it will display you click me. Okay, let us repeat. Run button, click me, you click me. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create buttons using Tkinter library file in Python programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.